Oops.
Looks like a great day to cut down some trees. There's a couple of dead ones really close to the cabin. We're gonna go ahead and lay those on the ground today.
Looks like it's 3 trees. Oops. Chainsaw got wedged in pretty good. No give. Well, we broke the chainsaw free.
Yeah.
Mr. Muscle Man.
Actually, Tony drove the wedge in the right spot. That was a horrible cut.
So the tree falling has not exactly gone to plan. So Sean's getting out the tractor and we're going to try to pull them. You can see they're kind of stuck in precarious positions. And we certainly don't want a widowmaker. So getting out the tractor, we'll chain them up and drag them down. One tree safely down. Now to get number 2.
This is live action, folks. Tony's first time working on the tractor. Sorry, I'm pulling a chain. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, y'all, take number 2. I had the chain rigged too high. We're gonna try it lower. Just ease into it, Tony. So what was happening here is the bottom of the tree was digging into the ground and the whole tree was wanting to fall towards the tractor. There we go. She got it now. Bump it. Bump it.
And the slack pick up. There it goes. We sure are making a mess, but we're getting it safe, and that's more important. So, one more to go. Because now we're having fun. Yeah. Woo!
Can't tell which way the tree's leaning.
Like right where that dead tree was. It should go that way. It's gonna come this way. Three for three today, babe. Batting 1,000 or a 0, whichever one you prefer.
Man, this is the worst I've ever done on getting that right. Well, this didn't go exactly how we planned on it going. I thought I would go in there and chop, slam them on the ground and then go, but none of them fell right. I was totally off on my cut, on my back cut. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe I need new glasses, or maybe I'm just tired. I don't know. Maybe it's the keto.
Yeah, it's the keto.
It's the
keto
keto
brain.
And then the ground's a little soft, so I'm going to do some patch up work here so we don't get big puddles of water back here. So I'm going to go ahead and pat that down. So it ended up being a little bigger project than what we had anticipated it being, but the 3 dead trees that were close enough to fall on the cabin are all on the ground, and so they're not a threat anymore. So, and future firewood. Not like we have a shortage, but more firewood. Hey y'all, thanks for joining us in our failures in felling trees today. We appreciate your support. If you like our content, please smash that like button and subscribe. It helps us out a ton. And as always, go have an adventure of your own. Thanks for watching.